If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on DAZN, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the DAZN login page. Go to the DAZN website or open the DAZN app on your device. Click on the login option to begin the process of accessing your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is necessary for resetting your two-factor authentication. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your DAZN account. After entering your email, submit the form to receive a password reset link in your inbox. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Check your email for the password reset message from DAZN. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. Once you have reset your password and logged in, navigate to your account settings. Find the two-factor authentication option and follow the prompts to set it up again, ensuring your account is secure. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on DAZN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DAZN customer support for further assistance.